The last few weeks, we've been really focusing on managing our weed control on the farm. So we were making our second pass of spray on the beans, moving on into some nitrogen applications on the corn, and just verifying plant health, plant stands, managing some weather that came through as well, but mainly focusing on weed control and nutrient management. We've been really fortunate on rainfall. So far this year, we're maybe a half to 3/4 inch behind, so we're close to 5 inches of rain since the last time that we had some flights here, and I think for the year we're somewhere around 16 inches. So we're on pace with where we would normally be year to date, and our crops are looking really good because of it. In the month of June, we had one windstorm. It was 60, 70 mile an hour winds that came through, and the corn was probably V5, V6, but it has since stood back up and it looks really good. Beans are behind across a lot of the corn belt. We had cooler, drier temperatures early, and they just didn't get a lot of early growth. And since then, we've got some heat and things are starting to come on. To date, Taranis flights, we've had 3 on everything, and some of our fields are on their 4th or starting the 4th as we speak. The takeaways we've had for this year using the Taranis technology is it gave us a great verification of our weed control. We were able to actually see the weeds that were dying and some that may be hanging on. We do 2 passes on soybean and 1 on corn. So it allowed us to touch up some corn edges where needed, but we knew where we were at when we made our second application, and it really gave us good confidence in that. As far as disease and nutrient, everything's looked pretty good. Anything that we've seen in the imagery has been minimal, kind of isolated to compaction areas or typically challenge areas of the field. But there's a lot of value in knowing that things are in good shape as much as there is not. Looking forward to some things that we might be excited about, we're putting nitrogen on right now. So we know we have a load to finish the crop off to 250 to 280 bushels. So we know we have enough nitrogen out there. We've managed the weeds in the beans. So we've set the stage, and it's kind of all on Mother Nature from here.